So either you're moving to or you're thinking about moving to Livingston Parish. Now here are 5 things that you probably want to know before you make that move. Hey everyone, it's Brandon Browning here with Keller Realty. First of all, I just want to thank you so much for watching that video. If you don't mind, go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel. If you have any questions after you finish watching this video, you can leave a comment down below and I'll be glad to answer any questions that you may have. Or of course, you can contact me directly via cell phone or email, whichever method you choose to take is fine with me. Now, there are usually 5 top questions that I get from home buyers that are moving to Livingston Parish. And the first question, or the top question I'll get is, people will ask me about the school systems. Which are the best schools? Now, I would say that every school in Livingston Parish is a phenomenal school, but I've done a very extensive video on this topic that I'm going to refer you to on this. Now I'm going to have that video pop up on the screen at the end of this video so you can just click on it, and I go through the top 3 high schools in the parish and I'll go through how they're ranked per subject. So it's very detailed, so make sure you check that out. The number 2 thing that I'll get from home buyers is, which is a very important issue or topic, is flood insurance. Now I've sold houses in Livingston Parish where someone's paid $5,000 a year in flood insurance. I mean, so some people may not have a problem with this, but other people want to buy a house where there's no flood insurance required. Now, typically, don't focus so much on the flood zone. So you have A, AE, and X. Now, X doesn't require flood insurance, but what happens is the newer construction homes, they can build in flood zone A or AE, and they build up the elevation high enough to where you don't have to pay flood insurance. So you want to find a realtor that's very experienced in the area that can kind of guide you through that and understand what your goals are on the front end as far as what you want to pay in flood insurance. Now, most of South Louisiana is in paying flood zones. You can just Google LSU flood maps, and you can actually see the flood maps in Livingston Parish or anywhere in Louisiana, as a matter of fact. So the number 3 question that I get is traffic. Now, that is a big deal if you're like working in Baton Rouge or maybe working in Ascension Parish or in Tangipahoa Parish. It all depends. So depending on where you're going for your work day, this is going to be something you're going to want to consult with your realtor about if traffic is going to be something that you're going to want to stay away from. Because if you move to like Watson, for example, because you want to be in the Olavo school district, then and you have to go to Baton Rouge for work, you're going to end up in a little bit of traffic. So make sure you choose an experienced realtor that's going to be able to educate you on how the traffic flow is in the parish. The number 4 thing I'll get from people is, what about the shopping? Now, luckily in the last several years, Livingston Parish has gotten a lot better, or you've gotten a lot more options when it comes to shopping. The Jubin Road crossing is growing. You got your movie theater. You got some of your major restaurants that are popping up there. So Jubin Crossing is something that you can actually look up online. I'll actually put the link to Jubin Crossing in the description in this video. That way you can see all the coming restaurants, all the coming shopping centers that you may have coming there, et cetera, et cetera. But a lot of people like that area because they don't have to travel to Baton Rouge or Ascension or Tangipahoa Parish to shop. So, and you have the Antique District right there in Denham Springs, in the heart of Denham, that you'll be able to check out as well. So shopping has gotten better over the years. So I very rarely go to Baton Rouge anymore to shop because I reside in Livingston Parish actually. So it's been very nice. And the 5th question that I'll cover right quick is just, people just want to know where to buy. Where is it safe to buy a home in Livingston Parish? And look, generally Livingston Parish is safe anywhere. I mean, if you look at the crime statistics compared to Baton Rouge or our neighboring cities, I mean, Livingston Parish is a very, very safe place to live. So it doesn't really matter whether if you're on the east side of the parish, the west side of the parish, central of the parish, it's all going to be safe. Now some other questions you may have is, in the context of where to buy, is, look, you may say, well, look, I want to be in a subdivision that has a really big backyard, or I want to be in a subdivision to where the houses aren't that really close together. That's 2 of the most common things that I tend to run into. And that's, again, you're going to want to find an experienced realtor to work with you on that. that can proactively show you those subdivisions that are going to best meet your needs. Now, if you're looking for an experienced realtor to work with you in the greater Baton Rouge area, which obviously includes Livingston Parish, I'd love to help you meet your goals and answer some of the questions that you may have about moving to this area. So I'd be happy to help you. Please don't hesitate to reach out to me. You can reach out to me on my cell phone, call or text 225-445-0629. You can email me at bbrowning225@gmail.com, or you can just direct message me on whatever social media platform that you're watching this on. So again, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to check out the rest of my videos on the YouTube channel where I answer a lot more questions that you may have. So go check it out.